Hello everyone! Today, we will introduce how to set up an HTTP server on the ESP32 using MicroPython. Additionally, control the status of an LED through it. In the previous video, we introduced how to install the MicroPython interpreter for the ESP32 and develop with REPL. In this video, we will set up a simple web server. We will use MicroPython to launch a simple web server. When you access this server, the web page will display the status of the LED in real time, and you can control the LED's on-off state through a web button. First, we write the front-end HTML code, initially set to the off state. When the button is clicked, a request is sent to the backend server via JavaScript. The backend naturally uses MicroPython. Use socket. Use listen to monitor the port. And machine to interact with the hardware. Initialize the LED GPIO with the pin module. Turn on the LED when receiving the LED on command. Turn off the LED when receiving the LED off command. Next, we use AMPI to upload the file to the ESP32. Then, reset the ESP32 once. Next, access the IP address of the ESP32. Click the button on the web page. The status of the LED will be controlled by the web page. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.